Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my slime. And if you hear any background noises, that's my sister. Right there. Don't show your face. So I'm gonna be showing you my slime and teaching you how to make it, but I'm not gonna show you how to make it because I already made it. And so yeah. First I used glue, and then what ingredients? Glue, laundry detergent, and eye drops, or any eye contact solution. Eye drops, and a mixing utensil and something to stir in. And first, what you want to do is add a squirt of glue, and then add your detergent and mix it. While you're mixing, add the eye drops in, and keep mixing. Add more eye drops as you keep mixing, and then keep mixing it. Take it out. I know it's gonna be very sticky and slippery, but you have to knead it and play with it. And then after that, you keep kneading it because you don't want it to be super sticky and you don't want it to break a lot, and you want it to be stretchy like this. Here's my sister's slime. I made this for her. It's super stretchy. Here's mine. Make sure to put it in a Ziploc bag when you're done because you don't want it to get dried up. So after that, you get this. Here, let me show you. No.
Please. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.
Ignore my sister. Yeah, that's all. That's all for today's video, and thank you guys. Bye. See ya.